noticed.
Yeah. Well, that's why Elmo's wearing raincoat and rain hat. Yeah. So Elmo can walk in the rain and not get wet. Elmo likes the rain. Today, Elmo is listening to sounds that happen when it rains. Shh. Listen, Maria. Oh, nice sound. Millions and millions of little raindrops landing pitter-patter all around.
You know, it does sound nice, Elmo.
Yeah. You know what else, Maria?
What?
When Elmo listens close, Elmo can hear lots of different sounds in the rain. Oh, listen to rain on Oscar's can. Yeah. Rain on can like rat-a-tat-tat, not pitter-patter. Oh, Maria, Elmo just heard another kind of rain sound. Listen to rain on umbrella. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Maria. Hear that?
Yeah.
Car going through puddle. Yeah. There it goes again.
Yeah.
Splishy splashy. Oh. Listen. Listen. Oh.
Oh, what on earth could that be?
That is Elmo's favorite sound to hear in the rain.
Hi, Maria. Hi, Elmo.
Hi, Big Bird. Great, big, huge, Big Bird galoshes. Yeah. Rain, rain, rain.
Hey, Bud.
Oh, me? Oh, me?
Right. Hey, come here. How would you like to buy this here invisible ice cream cone?
Invisible ice cream cone?
Right.
I don't see
right
any
there.
invisible ice cream cone.
Well, of course you don't see it. That's what invisible means. You can't see it.
Oh, you can't see it. I see.
Right.
Well, not
and I'm
really,
gonna
but-
let you have this invisible cone here for just 1 nickel.
1 nickel? One nickel?
Right.
Well, what do I need an invisible ice cream cone for?
What do you need an invisible ice cream cone for?
I asked you first.
Look, come here. Now, supposing you was walking down the street, eating one of your regular ice cream cones, huh? You was really enjoying that cone when all of a sudden, unbeknownst to you, from behind a tree, out jumped Louis the Lip.
Louis the Lip! Ah! Who's Louis the Lip?
He is the most famous ice cream thief in the world.
Oh, and there I am, walking down the street, eating an ice cream cone. that anybody could see.
Right.
So he would run over and take it right out of my hands, leaving me with no ice cream.
Right.
Oh, terrible.
But if you had this here invisible ice cream cone, Louie would not see it. So he'd just walk right on by, and you'd still have one beautiful ice cream cone to eat.
Oh, hey, that's wonderful. I'll take it.
Terrific.
Wait a minute. What flavor is it?
Chocolate.
Oh, I don't like chocolate. Thanks anyhow.
Oh, kid, ho. Come here.
What?
What flavor do you like?
Well, my very favorite flavor is Banana Royale Tutti Frutti.
Banana Royale.
Tutti Frutti.
Right.
It's my favorite.
You got it.
Oh, hey, wonderful.
Give me the nickel.
Okay, here you go. Right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Ho, hold it. Ho, kid. Ho. You didn't give me nothing.
Sure I did. That's an invisible nickel.
The kids in my class love to go to the park, but we can't see very well, and some of us can't see at all. So we learn about the world in other ways, by touching and feeling. Swing. Slide. Kneel. Chain. Step. This is fire swing. Sand. And we know what some things are by hearing them. Traffic! Bus? Train! Plane. Boat.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Uh-oh, the ring. We better go home.
I am dry. He is wet. Now I'm wet too.
One, two, three. Oh, hi, Gina.
Hi.
Oh, 1 second. Hi, Gina.
Hi.
It's raining outside.
Yeah, it sure is.
Yeah.
What can I get for you, Elmo?
Well, Elmo's hungry. Yeah. Gina, have any vegetable soup?
Yes, that is a very good hot thing for a rainy day.
Oh, good. Well, Elmo wants a bowl of vegetable soup and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on, pumpkin. No, not pumpkin.
Pumpernickel?
Yeah. That kind of bread. And a glass of milk, please.
Sure. Sure, coming right up.
Okay. Oh. Elmo, wait outside at table.
Okay. No, Elmo, wait. I don't believe this. It's raining outside, and he's gonna go eat outside. Elmo, it's raining out.
Elmo told Gina that. Why Gina tell Elmo now?
Because you can't eat outside, Elmo. Elmo, come inside. Come on.
But Elmo likes the rain, Gina. Elmo would have fun eating outside in the rain.
No, but...
Why can't Elmo eat in rain?
Well, think about it, Elmo.
Huh? Well, okay. Well, Gina, give Elmo a hint.
Okay, well, look at what happened to your napkin while you were sitting out there. Look at this.
Yeah, it got all wet and soggy and fell apart.
Yes, that's right. Why?
Well, because it got rained on, and rain makes things wet, and paper falls apart when it gets wet.
Right. So what do you think would happen to your sandwich out there? Hmm?
Oh, well, the bread would get all soggy and fall apart like a napkin. Yeah, and then peanut butter and jelly get all over the place. Yuck.
Right. And what do you think would happen to the milk? Okay, and the soup?
Well, rain would make the soup cold and icky, and maybe even fill up bowl all the way up to the top of the soup, and the soup would spill all out on the table.
Right.
Yeah, rain could fill up glass of milk, too. And then Elmo had a big mess, and nothing tastes good.
Exactly, right. So what are you going to do?
Elmo's going to get umbrella. Hold umbrella over sandwich and soup and milk. Keep rain off them. Yeah.
Elmo? Elmo, can you really eat and hold an umbrella at the same time?
No. Good point, Gina.
Yeah.
Oh, Elmo can't do that.
No. So will you please eat inside?
No. Elmo go get somebody else to hold up umbrella for Elmo while Elmo eat outside.
No.
Be right back, Gina.
This gets sillier and sillier by the minute.
Bellhop, the chef needs 20 grapefruits, and quickly, please. Run to the store and pick up 20 grapefruits. Remember that number, 20.
20 grapefruits. 20. 20. 20. I've got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. 20, 20, 20. I'd like 20, please.
20? 20 what?
I forget. 20?
Newspapers! Buy your newspapers here! Newspapers! Get your Daily Monster! Extra, extra! What is going on back there? Newspapers! Extra!
I'd like to buy a newspaper, please.
What?
I say I'd like to buy a newspaper, please.
Please! If you make noise, I cannot sell my newspapers and make my cute furry little living! Now, did you want to buy a newspaper, sir? I only have one left.
Well,
What are they doing?
I say, if you want to know, look in your newspaper.
Kids who laugh. Sir, I do not look at the newspaper, sir. I just sell them.
Well, read what it says.
What do you mean, read? Sir, you do not read newspapers.
Well, of course you do.
No. Newspapers are to make paper hats with, like mine, or maybe to, tear up for your box for your pussycat there, you know?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, look.
What? Look at that! There are letters on it and words. Let's see, it says, new building being built on Main Street.
That's where we are, Main Street.
And they are building a building. That is amazing. This newspaper tells what is happening.
Well, that's what a newspaper's for. Now, could I have it, please? I really need to go.
Sir. I'd like to just peek into what else is happening here. Parade on Main Street. There's going to be a parade.
Yeah, well,
I wonder when that will be.
Listening, it's starting to rain.
Oh, here's the weather report. It says rain. It is going to rain today with thunder and lightning and lots of wind.
The newspaper. Can I have the newspaper, please?
Yes, of course, as soon as I finish reading it, sir. Sticks. See page 6.
Sir.
Look at the penguins taking a bath.
Not easy being green. Having to live each day the color of the leaves. When I think it would be so much nicer being red, or yellow, or gold, or something much more colorful, like that. No, it's not so easy being green. It seems you blend in with so many ordinary things. And people, they tend to pass you over because you're not standing out like splashy sparkles in the water. Or like stars in the sky.
It could make you wonder why.
Oh, why wonder?
I'm green. It'll do fine.
It It's beautiful. And I think it's what I want to be.
This is the letter Y. It is the first letter in the word yak. Are you a yak?
Yes, I'm a yak.
Most interesting.
Excuse me, but I couldn't help noticing that a number of words there began with the letter Y. Did you see that? Watch. Yak. You. Yes. Wasn't that a coincidence? All three of those words begin with the letter Y. Yak. You. Yes. Just fascinating.
You're not an ordinary yak, you know.
Oh?
You're a yakety-yakety yak.
So, Gina, Elmo asked Big Bird, but Big Bird said no. Big Bird's not going to stand and hold umbrella so Elmo can eat in the rain. Yeah. Wait. He said that was silly. So Elmo asked Maria, and Maria said no. So Elmo asked Telly, and Telly said no, and Ruby said no, and Harry said no, and everybody else Elmo asked said no. So that's why Elmo came back and ate inside where it's not raining, and now Elmo's not hungry anymore. Yeah, everything was very good, Gina. Thank you.
You're welcome, Elmo.
Yeah.
Look, Elmo.
Huh?
It stopped raining out and the sun is coming out.
Look at that. Yeah, Elmo, see? Oh, boy. Yeah, Elmo needs raincoat and rain hat. Yeah.
What on earth? Now, why does he need his raincoat and rain hat if it's not raining?
Oh, Gina, look! It stopped raining. So now Elmo can imagine Elmo hungry all over again and eating in the rain. Yeah, Elmo is imagining rain coming down. Yeah, pitter-patter, pitter-patter, pitter-patter. But Elmo's imaginary peanut butter and jelly sandwich won't get soggy and fall apart because Elmo imagining that Big Bird is holding imaginary umbrella over my imaginary sandwich to keep the imaginary rain off it.
He's something else, isn't he?
Oh, Gina, Gina!
What, Elmo?
Gina better get back inside. It's raining, and Gina will get all wet.
Oh. Oh, dear Elmo.
Oh, Elmo loves playing with Gina.
You know, running a ranch is tough work. That's why I put up this sign right here. It says, Cowgirl wanted. I need someone to help me out around here.
Howdy! Howdy, 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 howdy.
Well, howdy yourself. What can I do for you?
Oh, you see, I came about the cowgirl job.
Well, you're not a cowgirl.
I most certainly am. I'm a cow, and I'm a girl. That makes me a cowgirl.
Nope, nope, nope. That makes you a girl cow.
Well, let's not quibble over details. Do I get the job or not?
Well, I do need help.
Yes, you do.
And I guess I can't be, picky.
No, you cannot.
Well, okay, you're hired.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes. Welcome to the Double Bar R Ranch.
Oh.
That's our brand right there. A big R, underlined twice.
Well, what does the R stand for?
Why, ranch, of course. Oh, and R also stands for rooster. See, rooster. That's our rooster, Roy.
I see.
He'll be waking you up every morning at sunrise.
Sunrise?
Yup. And the first thing I want you to do is climb up there and fix the roof. That's another R word.
You want me to climb all the way up there on the roof?
Yup. And after that, you gotta ride out on the range and check the herd.
You want me to ride on the range? What am I supposed to ride?
Well, most of us ride horses, but you're too big for that.
I should say so.
Yeah, well, I guess you have to run.
Run on the range?
Uh-huh. And while you're out there, I want you to round up the rabbits.
Rabbits? Oh.
Yep, this here's a rabbit ranch. We gotta take good care of our little bunnies.
Now, let me get this straight. You want me to rise with the rooster, repair the roof,
yep,
run on the range, and round up the rabbits? Well, that's an awful lot of work for one day.
Oh, that's just what I want you to do in the morning.
Oh.
I got more chores for you in the afternoon.
Okay, I see. Well, so long. It's been nice talking to you. Yes.
Hold on there. Where you going?
To get some rest. That's another R word. All this talk about work has worn me to a frazzle. Ta-ta.
Well, I do declare. I guess they just don't make cowgirls like they used to.
Good night, dear.
Good night, Gerald. Good night, Sparky.
Good night, Sparky.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, Sparky.
Imagine me, an alligator.
Mom, there's an alligator in my room.
I don't see an alligator.
Well, sure, it's not there now, but when you turn out the light, it's there.
Go to sleep, Gerald. It's just your imagination.
Sweet potato.
Alligator. Mom!
I was looking.
What is it?
Alligator. It's back.
Go to sleep, Gerald.
And you came by for me to munch on. I'm afraid of getting thinner. Would you please become my dinner?
Sparky, it was you all the time.
What is that singing?
Well, nothing, Mom. Just your imagination.
Add one and one. Out here is the thing to do. Now some say that screaming 1 + 1 all night means we're thoughtless, cruel, and bad. But kids like you and me, baby, we were born to add. Yes, girl, we were. We see 2 trash cans, so we add 1 and make it 3. There's a lot of us adders on the Jersey shore. Out here it's the thing to be. Yeah, we'll keep on shouting 1 + 2, even though it makes them mad. 'Cause kids like you and me, Take it, class. Ha! One and two and three police persons spring out of the shadows. Round the corner comes one more, and we scream into that bitter night. Hey, 3 plus 1 makes 4. Well, they seem to think that we're disturbing the peace, but we won't let them make us sad. 'Cause kids like you and me, baby, we were born sad. 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 Baby, we were born
Hi. Oscar's puppy, Preposterous, and me are going to play one of these things. You can play, too.
What? Did I hear you say Preposterous is gonna play a game?
Yeah, we're going to play one of these things.
Well, he doesn't play games. He's a grouch pup.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I say he'll play.
No way.
Okay, let's see. Hey, Preposterous, we're going to play one of these things, okay? All right? Now, this is right here. Look here. We have a box with 3 shoes in it, all right? 1, 2, 3, all right?
He won't play.
Okay, now watch. Right here, we have 2 shoes. 1, 2. All right. Still with me?
No, he isn't.
Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to pick which one of these shoes belongs in the box with the other ones. Huh? All right?
Fat chance.
Go on. That's absolutely right.
Huh?
Yeah. This is the right answer right here, you see, because it's the same size as the other shoes in the box. You got it right. What do you say, wise guy?
What do you mean, what do I say? The dog didn't do anything.
Well, sure he did. Look. He's standing right in front of the shoe that's the right answer. Look. You see, now this shoe is little. This one is big. Now, this is the one that belongs with all the other ones because it is little. You see? The big shoe does not belong.
But the dog didn't even move.
Well, and you say he couldn't play games.
But he didn't play games. He didn't do anything. He didn't play a game.
Good dog, Preposterous. Hey, I'll see you later, huh? We'll play again. Bye, Oscar.
Hey, hey, Preposterous. Hey, get away from... Hey, let go of my foot.
When there are 2 houses on a block, and a house builder comes along and builds 3 more houses, what happens?
It gets crowded.
No, sillies. There are 5 houses.
Ernie?
Ernie? Bert, I don't want to play with your bottle cap collection. Right.
Okay, fine. Okay, how about playing with my paperclip collection with me, huh?
Bert, the only thing worse than playing with your bottle cap collection is playing with your paperclip collection.
But, Ernie, I just want to play with you. I tell you what. You like imagination, don't you?
Sure. Mm-hmm.
Okay, how about playing an imagination game with me?
What? What do we imagine, Bert?
Well, how about we imagine that we're both steaming bowls of hot, wonderful oatmeal?
Bert, I refuse to be a steaming hot bowl of oatmeal.
Oh, Ernie, it's no fair, Ernie. Ernie,
Yeah,
you know, everything that I like to do, you don't. I can't find a single thing to do that I like and that you like.
Well, I'm sorry, Bert, but Rubber Ducky and I are going to play something else.
I've got this pain that I just can't deal with. How I wish I had somebody to go and eat oatmeal with. Oh, gee, I really need a friend to play with me. I'd give him friendship and affection. I'd even let him come and see my paperclip collection. Oh, gee, I sure could use a friend to play with me. In line he'd gladly stand to hear a marching band or buy some saddle shoes. He'd worship Argyle socks, collect them by the box. He'd help me chase these blues. My style would please him more than a smidgen. He'd say, it's really nifty, Bert, the way you dance the pigeon. Oh, gee, I gotta find a friend to play with me. Won't somebody hear my plea? Wanna end this misery? I wish I had a friend to play with me.
Hi, Bert.
Ernie?
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Well, Rubber Ducky and I were playing hide and seek with you, Bert.
But you said you didn't want to play with me.
Oh, we didn't want to play with your bottle cap collection or your paperclip collection, but we both like to play hide and seek, Bert. And it's your turn to hide, okay?
Really?
Here we go. I'll count.
Really?
1,
Oh, boy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
The letter R. Rhinoceros. R. Racket. R. Robot. R. The letter R.
This is a letter. The letter Y. Do you know how I know? It looks like the trunk of a tree where the yellow yahoos go. Listen. Yahoo! There's a yahoo now. I know I hear a sigh. Sigh. She's just waking up from a nap in the tree that looks like a Y. Watch it now. He's up with a yell. Yahoo! Yip, 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 yahoo! What do you think your mother would do if you yelled like the yellow yahoo? Boo! After a yell and a tasty lunch, munch, a yellow yahoo rubs his tummy. When you ask him if his lunch was good, he answers, yes, quite yummy. And then the yahoo yawns. He yawns, that yellow yahoo. Then it's up the tree and fast asleep, and then to dream about you. He dreams about you, the yellow yahoo, through the night under the sky, by the tree that looks like a Y.
You okay there, little Preposterous? Good. Oh, rats. Here comes Gina. Oh, boy. She always talks so nice to Preposterous. She always says yucky stuff like how cute he is. I can't stand it.
Hi, Oscar.
Yeah, I bet you say that to everybody.
Well, hello there, little Preposterous puppy. Oh, isn't he cute? Oscar, are you sure he doesn't want to be petted? I really want to pet him.
Forget about it. He's a grouch dog. Grouch dogs just want to be left alone.
Oh, did you drop your rubber pickle, Preposterous? Oh, don't you worry, cutie pooch. I will get it for you. Here you go. Oh, you adorable little doggy. You're welcome.
Oh, this is disgusting. You're welcome. Adorable little doggy. Yuck. Ugh.
Again? Oh, aren't we clumsy today? Here you go, Preposterous. There you go. There it is. What? You know what, Oscar? You know what? I think he's playing a game with me. This is so cute. I have never seen a dog play a game like this before.
Well, he's not playing a game. He's just yawning. Grouch dogs do that all the time. That's why he's dropping the pickle.
No, he's playing a game, aren't you, little pushy-washy puppy? Yeah. You see? He did it again. I knew it. He's playing a game. Okay.
He is not either. He's just yawning, not playing.
No. I still think he's playing a game. You know, Oscar, dogs do play games.
Not grouch dogs.
Oscar, you sound angry.
Well, you're darn tootin' I sound angry. You know why I sound angry? Because I'm angry. Why, you're insulting my dog here. You're saying he's playing a game, and I'm telling you, Preposterous does not play games. He's a grouch dog!
Well, I still don't agree with you, because I think he is playing a game. Right, Preposterous? There we go. Take it back. I'm sorry. I don't have time to play the little game anymore. Bye-bye, you cutie pooch doggy. Oh.
That wasn't a game! See? He just did it again. Now, Preposterous. Hey, Preposterous. No. Whoa! Preposterous. Whoa. Hey, easy boy. Whoa! Whoa!
In a caboose lived Bruce the Moose. And by the caboose there was a spruce, in which did roost to loose la goose. Yeah. Whenever the goose had an excuse, he'd visit the moose, and they drink juice.
Hi. Hi, Tora. Mikis. Oh, thank you very much. Today, we're going to tell you about a word called information, right? Information. And information means news or facts about something. And Tora going to help Cookie Monster. Now, today, we're going to give you information about word cookie. Give me cookie, please. Oh, thank you. Right in my hand. Oh, thank you. That cookie. give you information about Cookie. And the information is Cookie was delicious. Give me other cookie, please. Other cookie. Oh, thank you, thank you. Now let me give you more information. Cookie was delicious and crunchy. Now give me a whole box, please. Whole box. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, thank you very much, Tara. Now, rest of information. Cookie was delicious, crunchy, and Cookie's gone. Thank you, Tara. Give me a hug. Oh, thank you.
show all about shapes. Yeah, and Big Bird put it up on the wall for Elmo. Look. Uh-oh. Big Bird put the picture way up high. Well, too high for Elmo. Good place for Big Bird. But Elmo can't reach it. Watch. Oh, Elmo needs picture here. Way down low, right here. Then Elmo can reach it. Yeah. Wait. Elmo has an idea. Yeah, you keep looking at shapes. Yeah. Okay. Elmo getting ready. You just keep looking. Keep looking at shapes. Okay. This shape is a circle. And this shape is a square. And this shape is a triangle. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Jumping not work. No. Well, Elmo can't stay up in air long enough to talk about picture. Well, maybe Elmo used something to point to the shapes with. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, Elmo, be right back. Yeah. Whoa, boy. Well, here we are. Let's see. This is a broom. And maybe Elmo can point with the broom to show the shapes. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's see. Elmo gotta get up higher. Okay, up higher. Oh, boy. Oh, this broom is too heavy for Elmo. Whoa. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh, Big Bird! Big Bird, you came back.
Yeah, hi.
Listen, Big Bird. Elmo having a problem showing shapes.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the problem?
Well, Big Bird put picture up high, where Elmo can't reach it. It can't point to shapes.
Gee.
No.
Well, I know, Elmo. You could talk about the shapes, and look, I can point to them. See?
Well, that's nice, Big Bird, but Elmo think maybe there's a better idea.
Oh, well, yeah, sure. I could pick you up and hold you up high here so you can point to the shapes and you can talk about them at the same time. Huh?
Well, Big Bird, that's nice too, but what Elmo think is Big Bird help Elmo by moving picture down low where Elmo can reach it by Elmo's self.
Yeah. Elmo, that's a good idea. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Big Bird. Yeah. Good. Now Elmo can talk about squares and circles and triangles without jumping or carrying broom or Big Bird holding Elmo.
There, Elmo. I've moved your picture down low where you can reach it easy, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Big Bird.
Anytime, Elmo. Ta-ta.
Bye-bye. Ta-ta. Now, first shape Elmo going to talk about is... Oh, no. Big Bird put picture wrong side out. Oh, the shapes Elmo wanted to talk about are on the other side. Oh, no, on the other side of the paper. Oh, well, Elmo think it's time to start all over. Yeah, so watch the hippos until Elmo ready. Okay? And come right back.
Round diddy round as a circle. Round diddy round as a basketball. Round diddy, can't you see? Round can also be like a hippopotamus like me.
Oh, this is terrible. Well, Elmo's drawing is wrong side out. And it's too big for Elmo to fix. And if Elmo can't show you his drawings, well, how can Elmo show you how well he's learned his shapes? Wait a minute. Elmo sees a square. Yeah, see the box that Gina just put there? Whoa, it's a square. That's a square. Wow. Look at that. Well, that was a square. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Elmo sees a circle, too. See the bicycle? See the back wheel? See? That's a circle. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Bye, Wally. Oh, look at the circle. And there it goes. Yeah. Wow. Whoa! Elmo sees a triangle, too. Look. Hiroshi's painting easel makes a triangle. See? Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Oop, there's Louise. Bye, Louise. Oh, and look, the triangle stayed. Oop, bye-bye, triangle. Boy, shapes are everywhere. Everywhere. Well, look at Elmo's nose. Well, it's kind of circle-like. Yeah, and Elmo's foot is kind of foot-like. Yeah, foot-like.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters R and Y and by the number 20.
Elmo's head is kind of a
Sesame
circle.
Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Adios!
Like a